Today, we are going to make our lash liner packaging into a lash liner casing. Make sure you do not draw a dotted line at this area. We want this area to be foldable. After drawing a dotted line, make the box flat by flattening it left and right. Then, take a scissors and cut along the dotted line at one side only. Flatten the box to the other side and cut along the dotted line. Then, cut along the dotted line at the front. Now make it back to a box shape and close the flaps. Fold it, and now you got a lash liner casing. Remember to place your lash liners downwards. To know more about our lash liners, watch our vid of the story of HighOh 3-in-1 lash liner.